Question 20 of June 2013. In recent years, the UK has experienced large deficits on its balance of payments on the current account. So what this means is our exports have been a lot less than imports in recent years. All of the things being equal, which one of the following would be most likely to reduce such deficits? And it has a fall in and then our four answers. So to actually reduce the deficits, imports will have to either decrease or exports will have to increase, or both at the same time. So I'm going to look at the effect on our imports and our exports for each answer. So A, aggregate supply. As we can see in our diagram, if aggregate supply shifts inwards, because there's a fall in aggregate supply, this means that our price level will rise. And if the price of our goods rises, this means that it's more expensive for foreign countries to purchase our goods, and our exports are likely to go down, but our imports will just stay the same. Looking at income tax rates, because B is our answer, if income tax rates go down, or there's a fall in the income tax, that means we have more disposable income. Now, the UK economy has a high propensity to spend on imports, so any extra disposable income we get, a higher proportion of that will be spent on imports. So our imports will increase and our exports are likely to stay the same. D, labour productivity. Now, if there's a fall in labour productivity, what that means is we can supply less for the given input of labour, and therefore our supply curve, like in the diagram, will shift inwards and our prices will rise, causing the same effect as A. So our exports will decrease. Now, as we know, we need our imports to either decrease or our exports to increase in order to correct the situation or help reduce the deficit. So our answer must be B, because if the exchange rate, if that falls, there's a depreciation in the value of the pound and our goods become cheaper to foreign countries, and therefore what that means is more people from foreign countries will be purchasing our goods as they are cheaper. So our exports will increase, and therefore the deficit is likely to be reduced. But that is only if all of the things are equal. So our answer is B.